girls in school could shout, yeah. Then I'd be like,
And you grow and you develop horns. Start
Uh-huh.
developing wings and flying in the whole school.
Exactly there. Yeah.
Right about now, I'm with a big guy in the building. Some guy who came to Uganda. Actually, he's not Ugandan, but I had to go deep down and look for him. If you watched last week's Promising Chat, every week the Promising Chat gets to the 5 promising talents. And last week's number 1 on our Promising Chat is seated on my left. A guy with some outstanding music, exceptional.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So I'm going to leave it up to him, and he introduces himself to you guys, and he tells you who he is.
All right. Well, it's your boy Jags the Bad Boy from South Sudan, aka Mr. Uwere. Jags the Bad Boy sing. It's an They call me Jags the Bad Boy anyway, from South Sudan.
I think guys have got to know Jack's the bad boy from South Sudan. But
Yep.
why not Jack's the good boy?
Nah, actually, I used to love opposites when I was in high school. So whenever they say bad, me, I mean good. So that bad means good.
Guy. But anyway, it's a pleasure having you in the Promising Chat.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm really so happy that you are in here with me.
I appreciate it.
So guys, without wasting your time, let's dive in and get to know who Jax the Bad Boy is. Here we are right now. He's going to answer to all the questions you guys really wanted to know about Jax the Bad Boy. Because man, being with a celebrity is so fun, nigga. Being with some guy from South Sudan, Uganda, I'm really so happy to have him on my interview, hosting him on the Promising Chat.
I'm so happy to be.
Yeah, it's my pleasure, bro. So, Jax the Bad Boy.
Yeah.
Where did that name Jax the Bad Boy come from? First, tell us how you got to get that name, man.
Actually, Jags the Bad Boy, that name came from high school.